Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing HeartGalore.shop. But before we get into the details, a lot of you have been asking me, how do I do this research so fast? I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, this store doesn't exist anymore, and it seems to be a scam. And as you can see from Trustpilot, and they're rated 1.1 out of 5 stars, which is pretty bad, with 143 reviews. So as you can see, total scam, do not buy from thieves. Also, victim of Zara outlet, scam, no goods received, it's a scam, and the list goes on and on about telling people that these are a scam. So please do not buy if you ever come across a store like named HeartGalore.shop. And fortunately, this site is already taken down already. And that's basically it, guys. So do not forget to check out my link down below for a complete guide on how to do this research yourself. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.